No. We kind of sent it a little bit through a tree right there. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Nanu Garage. Right now we are out in the Ford Raptor. We're gonna go ahead and put it into sport mode, and then we're gonna go ahead and hold our traction control button off for, let's see, for multiple seconds, and then it's gonna say advanced track off. So once we have advanced track off, we can go ahead and have some fun over here, because as you may be able to tell, we're on a pretty nice gravel road in an undisclosed location out here in Tijuana, Mexico. And not me driving, but we're gonna go ahead and have some fun, send it around that little turn, and see what the Raptor can do, because believe it or not, this thing can drift pretty nicely. It is pretty fun. Look behind us! Look behind us right now! Oh my God! Oh my God. Oh, that was so fun. This time we're gonna approach it slower, but we are gonna try to go get some more angle. Woo-hoo-hoo! I hit that ply cone right there. No.
Center a little too hard. There's a cone here with concrete at the bottom, so probably no damage to the truck. Just the cone and the concrete base. Cone with concrete base.
Please tell me that mirror still goes out. I cut it really close right there. Shit, man. Are we good? Yes! We're good. We kind of sent it a little bit through a tree right there. Definitely needs a wash now, because that freaking shrub cut it a little bit too close, and we were just close to that shrub. But oh my God, that was some fun. That was really fun. Trying to put my seatbelt on at the same time. I'm impressed that the Raptor's able to like really just slide like this well. Wow. What y'all think of that, baby? America! Wow. Too much fun. Too much fun in the Raptor. Also, I apologize for the sun. It's really just annoying. Uber Black? Did you order Uber Black? Oh my god.
Dude, that's
So sick, right?
Gonna be epic.
Like I'm not even gonna lie, guys. If you want to learn how to drift, I have been trying to learn how to drift. I've been wanting to learn how to drift. When you're drifting a car, like I want to learn how to swing the Cadillac, the Shelby, stuff like that. You can do those on very open roads, but if you want to get that more like that basic car control and you want to learn that out, a very good thing to do, in my opinion, is a truck like this if you're able to put it in rear wheel drive mode. You can put it in rear wheel drive and you can literally send it. You can have so much fun in this thing in rear wheel drive. And kind of like I ran into that bush a little bit right over there. This thing, like, I mean, it's a truck. It can handle like shrubs and stuff like that. That's what it's meant to do. This thing is already off-road when you're drifting it. So you're not really afraid of going more off-road because you're already off-road. In other cars, you're scared like, oh, there's a curb here, there's stuff like that. But this thing could totally soak up a curb and eat it. So that's what I love about the truck, just learning how to drift in it and stuff. That was so much fun. That was some proper fun doing the manji type stuff right over there on that little pathway. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's a short little video, but it was a whole lot of fun, definitely. If you guys enjoyed it, let me know down below in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel because we always do such stupid things on here. It's so much fun. Turn your post notifications on. I just want to throw it out there and make it clear, this is not me driving, this is a voiceover, and this is in Tijuana, Mexico. So with that said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
You see a carku, call the cops, boy. AK all day, body start to drop, boy. Bamba jinya beaten, sari diyan streetan. They're trying to lock us up, but we ain't gonna stop, boy. They're trying to lock us up, but we ain't gonna stop, boy. They're trying to lock us up, but we ain't gonna stop.